Hello, everyone. Imagine if you could effortlessly incorporate healthy and productive behaviors into your daily routine, transforming your life one habit at a time. What if building positive habits was the key to unlocking your full potential? By the end of this lecture, you'll understand the science behind habit formation, strategies to build and maintain positive habits, how to break negative habits and replace them with positive ones. Let's discuss the science behind habit formation. Habits are automatic behaviors that are triggered by cues in our environment. Understanding how habits form can help us create new, positive habits and eliminate harmful ones. Example: consider brushing your teeth. It's a habit most of us perform automatically every morning and night, triggered by the cue of waking up or preparing for bed. The habit loop. The habit loop consists of three parts: cue, routine, and reward. The cue triggers the behavior, the routine is the behavior itself, and the reward reinforces the habit. Real-world story: Charles Duhigg, in his book The Power of Habit, explains how understanding the habit loop helped him change his habit of eating a cookie every afternoon by identifying the cue boredom and finding a healthier routine, walking and socializing. The 21/90ths rule. The 21/90ths rule suggests that it takes 21 days to form a habit and 90 days to make it a permanent lifestyle change. Consistency is key in this process. Analogy: think of habit formation like planting a seed. The first 21 days are like watering the seedling, and the next 90 days are like nurturing the growing plant until it becomes a sturdy tree. Let's discuss strategies to build and maintain positive habits. Start small. Begin with small, manageable changes that are easy to incorporate into your routine. This reduces resistance and increases the likelihood of success. Example: if you want to build a habit of exercising, start with just 5 minutes a day and gradually increase the duration as the habit becomes more ingrained. Use habit stacking. Habit stacking involves linking a new habit to an existing one, making it easier to remember and perform. Real-world story: James Clear, author of Atomic Habits, suggests using habit stacking to create new routines, like doing push-ups right after brushing your teeth in the morning. Track your progress. Keep track of your habit-building progress using a journal, app, or calendar. Visual reminders and records of your progress can motivate you to stay consistent. Example: use a habit tracking app to log daily actions, providing a visual representation of your streaks and encouraging you to maintain them. Find accountability. Share your goals with a friend, family member, or group who can support and hold you accountable. Regular check-ins can provide encouragement and help you stay on track. Analogy: think of accountability partners as personal trainers for your habits, offering support and motivation to keep you committed. Reward yourself. Celebrate small wins and reward yourself for sticking to your new habits. Rewards can reinforce positive behavior and make the habit-building process enjoyable. Example: treat yourself to something enjoyable, like a favorite snack or leisure activity, after completing a week of your new habit. Let's discuss how to break negative habits and replace them with positive ones. Identify triggers. Recognize the cues that trigger your negative habits. Understanding these triggers can help you avoid or modify them. Example: if you tend to snack on unhealthy foods when stressed, identify stress as the trigger and find healthier ways to manage it, like taking a walk or practicing deep breathing. Substitute with positive habits. Replace negative habits with positive alternatives. This can help you break the cycle of undesirable behavior and build healthier routines. Real-world story: many people successfully quit smoking by substituting it with healthier habits, such as chewing gum or engaging in physical activities. Use the if-then technique. The if-then technique involves planning specific actions for when you encounter triggers. This helps you respond proactively rather than reactively. Example: if I feel the urge to procrastinate, then I will set a timer for 10 minutes and start working on a small task. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself during the habit-changing process. Acknowledge that setbacks are part of the journey and focus on progress rather than perfection. Analogy: think of breaking habits like learning to ride a bike. You might fall a few times, but with patience and persistence, you'll eventually find your balance. Assignment: create a chart and use the strategies we discussed, such as habit stacking, tracking progress, and rewarding yourself to build a new habit. Use the chart to record your daily progress.